Easy steps to recover deleted files from Android phone. Step 1. Stop updating your Android One's lost precious data. If your Android data is lost, stop adding or deleting any data of your Android. If not, your Android data will be overwritten. That is, all your lost data cannot come back to you anymore. So, make sure not to update your Android as long as your data get lost. Step 2. Run the Android data recovery. Install the program on your computer and run it. You will be asked to connect your Android device to PC via USB. Step 3. Set up Android to enable USB debugging. After connecting your Android to the computer, go to the Step 2, Enable USB debugging. Here you have 3 ways to do it according to different Android OS version. 1. For Android 4.2 or the newer, enter settings greater than about phone greater than build number for several times, and when you get the note, you are under developer mode, you can go back to settings greater than developer options greater than USB debugging. 2. Android 3.0 to 4.1, enter settings greater than developer option greater than USB debugging. 3. Android 2.3 or earlier, enter settings greater than applications greater than development greater than USB debugging. In the latest version of Android Data Recovery, you are empowered to selectively choose which type of files to be scanned. If you want to recover all type of files, you can just skip it and move on. Step 4. Start scanning your Android for deleted files. Once you enabling USB debugging for your Android, it will be detected by the program. Then click on the green button Start to analyze your Android data. When you see the window below, it is time for you moving to your Android device again. Tap on the Allow icon, then turn back to the computer and click on the Start button to continue. Step 5. Preview and recover contacts, messages, photos and video from Android. As you can see, this Android data recovery can recover data including text messages, contacts, photos and videos from your Android device. But you can only preview messages, contacts and photos now. At the last step, check and mark those you want and click Recover to save them to your computer. Step 6. Back up your Android device to protect the files. Do backup with your Android device from time to time. Therefore, you don't need to worry about losing data and then have no way to recover them. Later that day, if your Android data get lost, you can restore your deleted Android data back from the previous backup with Android Data Recovery. You can try Android Transfer, which allows you to back up your Android phone easily. Perfectly done. Android Data Recovery help you restore all lost text messages, contacts, photos and videos back on your computer in about 4 steps. In the near future, you should learn to back up all Android data to computers so that you can find them back once you lose them again.